Hi, this is Maria Palazzola with MyGolfInstructor.com on the lesson tee here today. And in the bottom frame here, you're going to see a student that had a really hard time getting into the shot with his lower body, but of course that resulted in his upper body hanging back as well. So you're going to see here that at the top of the swing, he looks pretty good. He's a little too far on the outside of his left leg, in my opinion. Should have a little more pressure or weight on the inside of that leg. And partially because of that, as a result, you're going to see how his right hip never really gets past that front line. So where you see most good players driving their hips into the shot, he's really hanging back, and as a result, hitting off of his back foot here and scooping the shot. So you're going to see how it looks like he never quite gets the weight through to his front foot until the very end there. So on the top frame here, what we worked on simply was trying to feel like we load back, but then we really push off and get a good leg and hip drive into the shot. So you're going to see a lot more action here. If I put the same line at the front hip, you're going to see him really get into the shot a lot more aggressively. So I like the look of that definitely, as opposed to this type of transition where he's standing up but not moving into the shot at all. So pretty good success there. A little bit of a different feel to get used to. Going to change the timing up a little bit, but in the long run should be able to hit down on the golf ball. You can see the forward leaning shaft here. Should be able to pinch it a little bit better and get a little bit more power on the shots.